How to set private DNS on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can set private DNS on Android. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So if you don't know what a private DNS does, is it basically makes your data a lot safer, and using private DNS server in your Android is a good idea for VPN users as well. So it makes sure that your initial DNS resolution of your VPN tunnel's domain is encrypted. Basically, your data is encrypted when you have your private DNS turned on. So let's start by heading over to our settings. Tap on settings, and after you're on your settings, you'll need to head over to the connection option. So if you don't see your connection option, that's completely fine. You can head over to your network and internet as well. And after you're here, if you see private DNS, you can tap on that, or if you don't see it, you will need to head over to your connections, more connection settings, and then you should see your private DNS. So tap on private DNS, and from here you'll need to select private DNS provider hostname. Select that, and there you will need to enter a hostname for your DNS provider. You can enter something like you can search for it as well, dns.adguard.com, and then tap on save. You can also use other DNS, private DNS. You can do quite some research on it. You can find 1.1.1.cloudflare-dns.com as well. And yeah, that's basically it. Now this will encrypt your DNS queries, preventing any kind of tracking or modifying. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.